Let's make a simple baked rice pudding. Welcome back to Tracy Creates Dishes. This recipe is so simple and easy, great for a delicious dessert or a satisfying breakfast. Let's start by preheating the oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. 10 grams of butter. Spread the butter around the large oven-proof bowl. Add 7 tablespoons of small to medium grain rice to your greased bowl. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Next, we add 6 cups of full cream milk to the bowl. First 2 cups, 2 more cups of milk, and the last 2 cups of milk to make 6 cups of milk in total. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence. Stir to combine. Place a rice pudding bowl into your preheated oven for 1.5 hours. Stir every 30 minutes. At 1 hour of cooking, add sultanas and stir. Once the rice pudding has thickened, remove from the oven and add 1/4 cup of cream and stir. Side note, if you prefer your rice pudding on the sweeter side, add granulated sugar to your desired taste now. If desired, add extra cream when ready to serve. Comment below if you like rice pudding. Subscribe and like.